Now let's look at our very last problem of a quadratic form. Now, we say that it's a quadratic form. This one looks kind of funky, but don't worry about it because we're just looking to see if this exponent, and we have all the same junk inside of here. We have the x plus 2 and the x plus 2 again over here. But this exponent is double that exponent. This would be an excellent place to use a u substitution. I think we're going to do it that way first to show you what I mean. In this case, u would be, and then you just pick the middle thing. The middle thing would be x plus 2 raised to the 1/5 power. That means that you have u squared, that exponent goes there, minus 6u plus 8 equals 0. So I made this crazy thing something more reasonable. We called it u. And then we can factor this. This one's easy to factor. So then I have u minus 4 and then u minus 2, and that's equal to 8. So that means that u is equal to 4 or u equals 2. It's not equal to 8, it's equal to 0. So now that we have these two things, we can go back and put this in its spot. So we have x plus 2 to the 1/5 power is equal to 4, and x plus 2 to the 1/5 power is equal to 2. So if we have something raised to the 1/5 power, then what we need to do is take that and raise it to the 5th power to make that go away, to turn that into an exponent of 1, which means we need to balance it by doing this. So we have x plus 2 is equal to, let's see, 4 to the first power is 4, second power is 16, third power is 64, fourth power is 256, so the 5th power would be 1024, and that's equal to, not equal to, and then you subtract 2 from both sides, and x is equal to 1022. This one, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to raise both sides to the 5th power to make that thing go away, and then we have x plus 2 is equal to the 2 to the 5th power is 32, so subtract 2, and x is equal to 30. So we have our two answers, 30 and 1022.